Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore Learn Knowledge. Today we are diving into Mendel's law of dominance, a fundamental concept in genetics. Let's get started. First up, what exactly is Mendel's law of dominance? Mendel, often referred to as the father of genetics, was an Austrian monk who conducted pioneering experiments on pea plants. Through his work, he developed fundamental law of inheritance that form the basic of genetics today. Before we jump into the law itself, let's quickly go over some key terms. A gene is a unit of heredity. Alleles are different forms of a gene. A dominant allele masks the effect of a recessive allele. A recessive allele is only expressed when two copies are present. Mendel's law of dominance states that in a heterozygote, one allele can mask the expression of another allele. For example, in pea plants, the allele for tall plants represented by a capital T is dominated over the allele for short plant represented by lowercase t. Mendel, often referred to as the father of genetics, was an Austrian monk who conducted pioneering experiments on pea plants. Through his work, he developed fundamental law of inheritance that form the basic of genetics today. Mendel's experiment. Now let's take a close look at Mendel's experiment. He started by crossing purebred tall and short pea plants. In the first generation, all the plants were tall. He then crossed the F1 generation plants. In the second generation, the plant showed a 3:1 of tall to short. So, what did Mendel conclude? The dominant allele expresses itself even in the presence of a recessive allele. The genotypic ratio in the F2 generation was 1 for the double T capital and the 2 for the large capital T with a small t and 1 for the double small t. The phenotypic ratio was 3 for tall plant to 1 for short plant. Understanding the law of dominance is crucial for several reasons. It helps in understanding genetic disorders, improving breeding programs in agriculture, and predicting inheritance patterns in offspring. Here is a visual representation of Mendel's law of dominance using a Punnett square. It shows how crossing two heterozygous plants result in the 3:1 observed by Mendel with 3 tall plants and 1 short plant. To sum it all up, Mendel's law of dominance explains how traits are inherited. Dominant alleles mask recessive alleles in heterozygotes, which is necessary for understanding basic genetics and inheritance patterns. For further reading, you can check out Mendel's original work, Experiments in Plant Hybridization, along with modern genetics textbook and scholarly articles. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to Explore Learn Knowledge for more content. See you in the next video.